In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your emo account. Before we begin, it's important to understand something clearly. IMO does not always offer a true temporary deactivation option. In many versions of the app, you may only see options to log out or permanently delete the account. So in this guide, what we're really doing is making your account inactive from your device by logging out, which is the closest option available in most cases. To get started, open the emo app on your phone. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access the main menu without any issues. Once you're inside the app, look for the settings section. Depending on your device or app version, the layout may look slightly different, but the settings option is usually easy to find from your profile or menu area. After you open settings, tap on Account and Security. This section contains the basic options related to your account access, login status, and privacy-related controls. If you're looking for a way to step away from emo without fully deleting your account, this is the place where you'll usually manage that. Next, tap Log Out. Once you do this, you'll be signed out of the app on that device. Your account will still exist and it will remain active on emo's system, but you personally will no longer be logged in. For most users, this is the nearest alternative to temporary deactivation. In simple terms, your account stays active, but from your side, you become inactive because you are no longer using the app while logged in. Now, here's an important reminder. Emo usually does not support a true temporary deactivation feature like some other social platforms do. So if your goal is more privacy or fewer interruptions, logging out is the main option available in many versions of the app. If you want to take it a step further, you can also uninstall the app from your device after logging out. That helps ensure you won't reopen it by accident. Another useful option is to turn off notifications, especially if you don't want alerts, messages, or calls drawing your attention while you're away from the app. So to recap, open emo, go to Settings, tap Account and Security, and then choose Log Out. That won't deactivate the account permanently, but it will make you inactive on your device. And that's the simplest way to step away from emo when a true temporary deactivate option is not available.